Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Do you want to make sharing a bathroom with your family a more pleasant experience? Then this Poo-Pourri Before You Go toilet spray is the answer. So this is a little travel size bottle. It's 1.4 ounces. So these are a really great thing to keep in your purse or wherever you're going because you just never know when you might need it. So the way that this works is different than typical air fresheners that you would spray into the air. This is actually a spray that you spray into your toilet bowl on top of the water, and it creates a film, sort of like a shield, so that nothing can escape. So there will be no odor situation on hand when you use this spray. So we have been really happy with it. I love the travel size. I think it's super convenient, and it has a really beautiful fresh smell. And this is the lemon, bergamot, and lemongrass. And so it just has a really nice fresh smell, nothing overpowering, and it definitely works. So if you're looking to make your bathroom sharing experiences more pleasant, then definitely check this out. That's my point of view.